What it do, guys? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video and all my videos, drop a comment down below, which is hashtag the grind is real. Share this video and all my videos on Instagram. Make sure you follow me at appgrind. And once I reach 4,000 subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick somebody that follow these guidelines and they will get a chance to win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, subscribe now. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn PayPal money fast in 4 minutes. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see, I create a lot of videos about making money online. And also I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And hit that like button because it's going to help out my channel and it helps out this video. And make sure you drop a comment down below if you have any questions, concerns, or opinions on what I'm talking about today in this video. Now, before I get into this method, please, I have a podcast. I want you to follow me on that podcast. I want you to check out my podcast show. And the name of the podcast is Hustle, Grind, and Grow. On there, I talk about how to start a business and how to grow your business successfully. And also just how to grow as a person successfully. So, if you got a business or want to start a business, check out my podcast. Link is in the description and also in the comments below. Now, let's go ahead and get into this method right now. So let me go ahead and hop over to the website and show you this method. All right. I'm on the Google Play Store. And what I'm going to show you is this app. So this app is called I Say, rewards your opinion. So it's a survey type of app. I've never talked about this app before, so that's why I wanted to bring it up. From my knowledge and doing research on this app, it's a very good app and it pays some good money just doing some simple surveys. So as you can see here, it says take surveys anytime, anywhere, earn rewards for your opinion, vote in fun polls and create your own, check your account balance, and it says don't miss any surveys, get instant notifications. And let's see what else it says on here. Basically the same thing. All right, let's just scroll down here and learn a little bit more. So it says here, I Say is an online survey rewards community that's dedicated to giving you a voice. Receive exclusive mobile surveys and get more opportunities to earn rewards, get instant survey notifications, and access them before anyone else. Cast a vote for your favorite polls or create your own. Maintain your survey notifications to receive them on an instant, daily, or weekly basis. Check your points balance and change your user settings. Redeem your I Say points rewards that are just right for you. And let's just scroll down here and look at the rating. So out of 5 stars is 4.3, which is very good. Like I always say, anything over 4 stars is excellent. Now let's just look at a review here. Let's scroll down here. Okay, this one person right here that left the review is named Leo Davis. He gave it 5 stars. He said, at first I was skeptical, but I just received my first reward, a $10 Google card. The surveys are fairly easy and usually do not take as much time as indicated, and much easier than other apps that require you to download games, play for ridiculous amounts of time to earn. Very happy. So that person is very happy. They already got $10 on here. And matter of fact, with that $10 gift Google card, they can trade that in for PayPal money. So let's go ahead and read one more here. All right, let's go ahead and read this one. Her name is Cindy Anderson. She gave it 5 stars. And she says, wonderful. It was to the point, quick, easy, no lagging, no back and forth, with different ads popping up and having to do with another survey. It was easy peasy. So that person was very happy. And they say it was very easy to use, no lagging or anything. So that's all I'm going to say about this app, guys. So go ahead and check this app out. It's in the Google Play Store, and it's called I Say Rewards Your Opinion. Now, I got one more app I want to show you, so let me go ahead and go to that right quick. Okay, I'm at the next app, and I'm still in the Google Play Store. The name of this one is Opinion App. So let's just scroll down here and read a little bit about it right quick. So Opinion App combines all the survey panels you have signed up to and present them via a single application in real time. The app is totally free and there's no commitment. Getting started is easy. Download the app and log in with your same email address you use for your panels, and you're all set. Now let's look at what I'm going to do is go to their website and it'll tell you a little bit more about this app. This is just the app that you use once you sign up. But let's look at review before we go to their website. So it says here, out of 5 stars is 4.0, which is pretty good. And let's look at a review. Okay, there's one person named Irene. She gave it 4 stars. She said the app is very easy to use and maneuver around. However, they could try and get more surveys available to users to increase frequency of surveys. So they like it, it's real easy, but they don't get that many surveys. So that's why I'm telling you about 2 of these survey apps. So when there's no surveys available on this app, you can always go to the first app I told you about. Now let me just go to the website right quick, and so we can learn a little bit more about Opinion App. All right, I'm at Opinion App, the website. So it says take surveys anytime, anywhere, and make your voice count. Share your opinions and get rewards for each survey you take, all in one single app. So see all panels and surveys in one app. Take surveys on mobile device. Keep tabs on the rewards you earn each survey. Tell thousands of decision makers what you think and make your voice heard on a global scale. How does it work? So Opinion App for survey panels you belong to and present them in one app with the real-time list of available surveys. So there's just a little graphic show you how it works inside the app. And you can download the app with Google Play or App Store. So basically that's how it works, guys. They just send you, you get to do the apps in the, you get to do the surveys in the app, and you're going to get paid probably like about $5 to $10 for doing a survey. And same as the other app, I Say, you get paid about $5 to $10 for every survey that you do. So if you're interested in this app, go ahead and go to opinionapp.mobi, or just go to Google Play or the Apple App Store. All right, that's all I have for today. Before you leave, please hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 50 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about both of these apps. And make sure you type hashtag The Grind Is Real so you can get a chance to win this free money once I hit 4,000 subscribers. And please share this video all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. All right, Grind family, appreciate it. Thank you. Road to 4,000. Here we come. Coming soon. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace. Stay safe.
Get your grind on, yeah. 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 Get your grind on, yeah.